So maybe you're like me and you have a home lab setup, or maybe you work in an IT business where you're managing different Windows servers, Linux boxes, credentials, and you need to share this with your team. Well, there's been some solutions out there already that do help manage this. Often they are paid tools as well. But really what just didn't sit right with me is the fact that many of these do not seem to be innovating beyond their current tool set and functionalities. One example was I really want to be able to utilize AI agents with the sessions and documents and various Linux boxes and remote desktop servers that I have in my both home lab and professional environment. For example, I'm deploying a Docker container and I need to troubleshoot something with it. I usually rely on AI now to help me with the troubleshooting of that. However, there's not been an easy way to just quickly click and have AI connected to a session of any kind. Nor has there been an easy way for the AI to bounce between sessions as it does one workflow. There's been some solutions, but nothing too intuitive or simple to set up and get using. So that's why I came up with Conduit. It's a encrypted vault manager. It's fantastic for both personal and professional workflows. Professional workflows for teams involves team sharing of different vaults and functionalities that are added to that. But it's free for personal use, and it will always be free for personal use. So if we go ahead and we take a quick look here, I've been using it to manage home lab stuff, some of my semi-work projects. For example, I've got a little Proxmox cluster here at the house where I manage things like Frigate camera, Home Assistant, and these all run on Docker containers. And so one of the big things that I wanted to be able to do was go in here and have AI just work with me on the Linux containers that I have set up for all of this stuff. So if you take a look, there's an agent button right over to the right. There's an SDK backed version of both Claude Code and OpenAI's Codex right within the application that you can utilize your own subscription. So you don't have to use the Conduit agent if you don't want to, but you can utilize your own subscription, such as Claude Code and Codex, right within the app. And it will already have the native tools of the Conduit app available to it. It even has advanced instruction sets automatically updated and added into a directory for that agent to work with the tools in. So let's go ahead and ask it a quick question. Can you help me inspect all Docker containers on this server and see if there's any issues? So let's go ahead and just send that, and you'll see Claude Code on the back end is connecting to this front end, which is an amazing tool set. There's approval flows for tools, so you can approve and deny tool use. You can see the arguments right here. So I'm going to approve that. I'm going to always allow that tool call. That's fine for me. And you can see right away the agent is going off and it's now checking Docker within the live terminal that I'm actively working in. So benefits of this obviously are interactive sessions where credentials need to be managed or entered in, things like that. So you can see everything looks happy, healthy. So what I'd like it to do is write to the asset notes information about the Docker containers. Check first if any exist and merge. So I want to take some notes about the things I've just had the AI agent help me with in pertaining to this. I'd like to either create a document entry within my vault or just update the notes for this asset. And my team can see all of this as soon as I'm done with it. So it's a powerful tool in this way. It's now going to take a quick look, get entry information for this specific session, and then it's now again going to update the notes with another tool called will approve. And you'll see in a moment here, it's now done. It's added comprehensive notes. So if we take a look at the session here, you'll see there's been some beautiful notes added in from the AI agent just now relating to all the Docker containers, my camera setup, some of the things I've done historically. It's utilizing memory on average. This was last checked on just now, which is great. So stuff like this. This is where the Teams functionality comes in great, because now we can expand this same functionality to a shared Teams vault. So managing service accounts, managing credentials for SSH keys and things like that. There's tons of tools available to it, such as SSH key generators, and one-click install of those keys onto your Linux boxes. And again, you have control over what the AI can do with these tools. So I'd love to get some community feedback on this application. Again, it's free to use. Please feel free to download and sign up. Please let me know your thoughts, any features you'd like to see added to the application. I know it's been a super powerful tool for my workflow and day-to-day, solving obviously those issues for me, and I'd love to see if this is able to help you solve some of the issues in your workflows. Please check out our website and feel free to send me a message if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.